Jai Hind students. As I told you, I had sorry, I explained you the chapter before in my previous video. This is for class 9th and the book is Moments and the chapter name is The Lost Child. As it was spring festival time, springtime, and all the villagers, they were moving to enjoy the fair, and a little boy also ran between his father's legs, brimming over with life and laughter. He was very happy at that time, and he was moving with his father's between his father's legs, and he was lagging behind because he was observing all the things on his way. So I also explained you about here till here, when his mother gave a cautionary call, "Come child, come," and on the footpath, and then he ran towards his parents gaily. Gaily means with happiness. And then he saw mustard field and dove, and also flowers on his way, butterflies, and so many. Here it is dove, and he was, when he was busy in catching those dove, then all the petals, they just dropped from his hands, and then again his father and mother, they called to join him. And then he saw gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi, that were means sweet maker was sweet meat seller was hawking. He was crying and attracting those people to purchase. Then again he saw a flower seller hogged means he was just announcing or crying a garland of gulmohar. He wanted to attract those people to purchase garlands. Garland means mala, and gulmohar is a kind of flower. The child seemed irresistibly drawn, and he was attracted, and he went towards the basket where the flowers lay heaped. And heaped means in a pile, ढेर थे, फूलों के ढेर थे, flowers के. And he half murmured means he spoke slowly, I want that garland. And he expressed his desire to have garland, but he well knew his parents would refuse to buy him. He knew very well that his father will not purchase for him. So without waiting for answer, he just moved. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green, and purple balloons lying from it. So a person was there standing, having a pole of bamboo pole, and he was carrying with him so many silken colors balloons, and it was attracting him, means those balloons were attracting him, and he wanted to all one of those. But he well knew his parents would never buy him the balloons because they would just say that you are too old to play with सच टॉयज. तो वो लोग कहेंगे कि तुम बहुत छोटे हो बैलून के साथ खेलने के लिए. सो ही वॉकड ऑन फर्दर मीन्स और आगे बढ़ गया. स्नेक चार्मर मीन्स सपेरा स्टूड प्लेइंग अ फ्लूट टू अ स्नेक विच coiled itself in a basket. You know very well, snake charmers, they put snakes into a basket separately, and its head raised in a graceful bend like the neck of a swan. So when he played his flute, वो जो स्नेक था उसने अपनी गर्दन बाहर निकाली, while the music stole into its invisible ears like the gentle rippling of an invisible waterfall. So he was listening flute voice, flute music, and he was very attracted. He was much attracted, and he was spellbound there. स्पेलबाउंड मीन्स मंत्रमुग्ध होना. तो सांप जो था वो मंत्रमुग्ध हो गया था. द चाइल्ड वेंट टूवर्ड्स द स्नेक चार्मर, बट नोइंग हिज पेरेंट्स, उसको पता था उसके फादर फॉरबिडन मीन्स रोक देंगे. सो ही डिड नॉट से एनीथिंग. देयर वॉज अ राउंड अबाउट इन फुल स्विंग. सो राउंड अबाउट एक वो होता है, झूला होता है, दैट द पीपल दे यूज टू इंजॉय स्विंगिंग. Men, women, and children carried away in a whirling motion. Means whirling means in a movement, in a circling way. So they were dizzy laughter means they were laughing fully. and the child was watching, and he wanted to go on the roundabout, and he expressed his desire, please, I want to enjoy the roundabout, father, mother. But no reply was there. He turned to look at his parents. जब उसने कहा कि मुझे भी झूला झूलना है, तब मुझे भी एक राउंड झूला झूलना है, तब उसके पेरेंट्स नहीं थे. एंड देन दे वर नॉट देयर अहेड ऑफ हिम. उसके आगे पीछे नहीं थे उसके पेरेंट्स. देन ही टर्न टू लुक ऑन ईदर साइड. देन ही ट्राइड टू सी देम ईदर साइड एंड ही कुड नॉट फाइंड हेयर एंड देयर. ही लुक्ड बिहाइंड. पीछे भी देखा, साइड में भी देखा, उसके पास उसके आसपास उसके पेरेंट्स का कोई साइन नहीं था. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat. He started weeping, crying, sobbing, and his throat was full. Was just due to crying. His throat became dried, and with a sudden jerk of his body, he ran, and he was running here and there like a mad person, because he was trying to find out his parents, and he was crying, mother, father, mother, father. Tears rolled down from his eyes, hot and fires, and flushed face. Flushed means his face become red due to weeping and due to fear. So he was panic stricken. He was full grieved, and he ran to one side, then another side, then crying out, mother, father, mother, father. He wailed. Wailed means he wept. His yellow turban came untied, and his clothes became muddy. उसका जो उसने टर्बन पहन रखी थी, पगड़ी पहन रखी थी, वो भी खुल गई दौड़ते हुए, और उसका जो कपड़े थे वो मिट्टी से लग गए. बिकॉज ही वॉज रनिंग हेयर एंड देयर bewildering means being very confused and being frightened. Having ran to and fro means इधर उधर दूर दूर तक. rage of running for a while. अब वो बहुत परेशान था. he was confused, he was weeping, he was shocked, and he was also terrified badly कि अब क्या होगा without parents, how will he manage his life. And he stood defeated. अब वो डर गया और बिल्कुल हार गया चिल्लाते चिल्लाते. then his cries suppressed into sobs. again he started sobbing. सिसकियाँ लेने लगा. at little distances on the green grass he could see through his filmy eyes. Filmy means because he was trying to find out his parents. Men and women talking. So men and women, they were talking, and so due to that, but there was no sign of his parents, and he was thinking, and for the sake of laughing and talking means all of them, they were talking and they were laughing. So it is about that. Then he ran quickly again, this time to a shrine. Shrine means temple. वो एक मंदिर के पास गया. वहाँ पर people, they were gathered, and वो इकट्ठा थे. every little inch of space here was congested with men, means no space was there. it was full crowded, but he was running through people's legs because of he wanted to find out his parents. So वो लोगों के पैरों के बीच से निकल रहा था. his little sob lingering, mother, father, mother, father. वो चिल्लाते ही जा रहा था अपने फादर मदर को ढूंढने के होप में. near the entrance to the temple, but he was not able to find out, and the crowd became very thick. बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ बढ़ गई. then men jostled each other. jostled means होता they were pushing each other. heavy men means having big body. fat men, fatty men, and with flashing murderous eyes and hefty shoulders. the poor child struggled to thrust away between their feet. तो वहाँ पे बहुत हैवी पर्सनैलिटी, बहुत हैवी बॉडी से भी लोग थे. they were big, they were fatty. so he was trying to making way and finding out his parents. knocked to and fro by their brutal movements, or sometimes he was also being crushed. कभी कभी दब जा रहा था. but he didn't stop his movement. he might have been trampled underfoot. वो दब भी सकता था बुरी तरह से, but he was trying. and had he not shrieked at the highest pitch of his voice, वो इतना जोर से चिल्लाया, otherwise he would have to be crushed by people. अचानक से वो जोर से चिल्लाया. फादर मदर अगर वो नहीं चिल्लाता he would have been crushed under feet. A man in the surging crowd heard his cry. तो सर्जिंग का मतलब दैट क्राउड दैट वाज सर्जिंग, दैट वाज मेकिंग मूवमेंट, तो उसमें से वो बच्चा चिल्लाया एंड देन ही जस्ट पिक्ड हिम विद ग्रेट डिफ़िकल्टी. उसने बड़ी मुश्किल से उस पर्सन ने उसको उठाया, लिफ्टेड हिम अप ऑन हिज इन हिज आर्म्स. हाउ डिड यू गेट हेयर चाइल्ड. उसने कहा तुम यहाँ कैसे आ गए. हुज बेबी आर यू. तुम किसके बच्चे हो. हुज पेरेंट्स हु आर योर पेरेंट्स. द मैन आस्क्ड एज ही स्टीयर्ड क्लियर ऑफ द मास. जैसे उसने भीड़ को थोड़ा सा क्लियर किया एंड ही मेड हिज वे टू मूव, तो उसने बच्चे से पूछा. द चाइल्ड वेप्ट मोर बिटरली. बिटरली मीन्स बहुत ज़ोर ज़ोर से दहाड़े मार कर रोना. सो ही वॉज वीपिंग बिटरली देन ever now and only cried. He was crying only, I want my mother, I want my father. So think about that. When his parents were with him, he was wanting all other things as balloons, sweets and garlands, and he wanted to take a roundabout. He wanted so many things. बट इस समय अब उसके पेरेंट्स नहीं हैं तो उसको कुछ नहीं चाहिए. ही इज़ नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन दोज थिंग्स. इंस्टेड ही वॉन्ट्स ओनली हिज पेरेंट्स, हिज मदर एंड फादर. सो द मैन ट्राइड सूद मीन्स उस आदमी ने उसको काम करने की कोशिश की, शांत करने की कोशिश की, कंफर्टेबल बनाने की कोशिश की. बाई टेकिंग हिम टू द राउंड अबाउट. विल यू हैव अ राइड ऑन द हॉर्स. क्या तुम एक राउंड अबाउट लोगे, इस हॉर्स पर एक घूमोगे. ही जेंटली आस्क्ड. उसने बहुत प्यार से पूछा. बट उस बच्चे ने फिर से कहा. द चाइल्ड थ्रोट टोर इनटू 1,000 शिल. वो बच्चा रोते रोते इतना ज़्यादा थक चुका था. ही ओनली शाउटेड आई वॉन्ट माई मदर, आई वॉन्ट माई फादर. अगेन द मैन headed means moved towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swaying cobra. Cobra was swaying means moving his head. उसने दिखाया. listen to the music child. he pleaded, he requested. लेकिन वो बच्चा उसमें भी कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं ले रहा था. and he was shouting only, I want my mother. Here you are well aware that the child was only interested only in his parents, not the worldly things. The man took him near the balloons and thinking the bright colors of the balloons would distract the child's attention and questioned him. Would you like a rainbow colored balloon? उसने पूछा कि तुम बैलून लोगे कलरफुल. फिर अगेन ही सेड नो आई वांट माई फादर, आई वांट माई मदर. वो केवल अपने मदर फादर की ही रट लगा रहा था. सो द मैन स्टिल ट्राइंग टू मेक द चाइल्ड हैप्पी. अभी भी वो बच्चे को खुश करना चाह रहा था. बोर हिम टू gate where the flower seller sat. Now he took the child to the flower seller. Look, can you smell those nice flowers, child? Would you like a garland? अपने गले में पहनने के लिए गार्लैंड चाहिए तुमको. लेकिन अगेन द चाइल्ड टर्न हिज नोज अवे from the basket and retreated means coming back to his own sobbing, and he started sobbing and started shouting, crying, I want my mother, I want my father. Thinking to humor his disconsolate charge by a gift of sweets, the man took him. And then the man wanted him to feel comfortable, to make him happy. फिर से उसने कहा, do you want sweet? Would you like child? What sweets would you like child? Because before that he wanted barfi. And he requested from his parents, I want my barfi, I want barfi to eat. लेकिन उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसकी रिक्वेस्ट को मना कर दिया था. दे जस्ट डिनाइड. तो बच्चे ने फिर से कहा. द चाइल्ड टर्न हिज फेस. उसने स्वीट शॉप से अपने फेस को घुमा लिया. एंड ही ओनली सॉबिंग, ही वॉज ओनली सॉबिंग and he was saying only one word, I want my mother, I want my father. So this is all about the child's emotions, the child's mental condition. When his parents were there, he was requesting all things to have, but when his parents were not there, nothing was making him comfortable and nothing was there to make him happy. So child was happy with his own parents. Means now without parents, these worldly things are without meaning. So this is all about this chapter. कि एक बच्चा जो खो गया और वो जब उसके पेरेंट्स उसके साथ उसके पेरेंट्स थे, उसको सारी चीज़ें अच्छी लग रही थी। जब उसके पेरेंट्स नहीं थे तो उसमें उसको कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था। सो जस्ट राइट आंसर्स ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस। व्हाट आर द थिंग्स द चाइल्ड सीज ऑन हिज वे टू द फेयर। आपको इसमें मस्टर्ड फील्ड भी लिखना है, ड्रैगन फ्लाइज भी लिखना है। यू हैव टू आल्सो राइट बटरफ्लाइज एंड देन स्वीट्स, गार्लैंड्स एंड टॉयज. So one by one you will have to write. And in the fair he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on? बहुत सारी चीज़ें वो देखता है. You will have to mention in your answer. When does he realize that he has lost his way? कब उसको पता चलता है कि वो रास्ता भूल गया है, अपने पेरेंट्स को छोड़ के पास नहीं है. When he reaches to the roundabout swing, जब वो राउंड अबाउट स्विंग के पास, झूले के पास पहुंचता है. एंड व्हेन ही वांट्स टू आस्क द परमिशन टू टेक अ राउंड अबाउट, देन ही कम्स टू नो दैट ही हैज़ लॉस्ट हिज पेरेंट्स. एंड वाई डज द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड लॉस्ट इंटरेस्ट इन द थिंग्स दैट ही हैड वांटेड अर्लियर? बिकॉज ही वांटेड ओनली हिज पेरेंट्स, नॉट द वर्ल्डली थिंग. तो जब उसके पेरेंट्स नहीं थे तो उसको कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. ही वॉज नॉट टेकिंग इंटरेस्ट विदाउट एनीथिंग without his parents. He wants only his parents. What do you think happen in the end? Does the child find his parents? So in this story, in the last, according to this story, the man, we can say कि because man finds him, एक आदमी उसको पाता है, तो maybe the man would have taken the boy to the police on duty in the fair, and the police would have announced through the loudspeaker, and the child would have restored to his parents. In this way, maybe the child would have been there to be successful to get his parents. So by the help of that man. So this is all, students. I hope you would have understood well. And for any query, for any confusion, for anything to ask, you can use my personal window and use my personal contact also. Thank you and Jai Hind.